Imagine you're at a magical fireworks show where every spark in the sky twinkles in wondrous colors. Now picture this, a tiny metal that seems ordinary at first, but when it meets the air, it creates a surprising spark of its own. Welcome to the fascinating world of spontaneous combustion of metals. Think of metals as superheroes. Some are strong and mighty, like Iron Man, while others are electrifying and adventurous, like Thor. And then there are the rare metals that have a secret superpower. They can catch fire just by touching the air. Some metals, like potassium and sodium, have this fascinating ability. Their powers lie in a special reaction called oxidation. You see, when these metals come into contact with air, they react with the oxygen in it so quickly and intensely that they burst into flames. So what's happening? Let's break it down. Imagine oxygen as an invisible creature that loves to dance with metals. When potassium or sodium is invited to the dance, the oxygen gets super excited and spins around the metal. This spinning causes a lot of friction, a bit like when you rub your hands together really fast. The friction creates heat, and in the world of metals like potassium and sodium, this heat is enough to start a fire. It's almost like these metals have a tiny magical match inside them that lights up when they meet oxygen. But why only some metals, you ask? Well, not all metals have the same personality. Potassium and sodium are what we call alkaline metals. They're especially eager to react with oxygen because they're light and ready to jump into the action. Other metals, like gold, prefer to stay calm and sparkly. They don't catch fire easily. So, while it may sound incredibly magical, there's a science behind it when these metals burst into flames. Scientists have learned to handle such reactive metals carefully, making sure to keep them away from air until it's safe to show off their fiery talents. Next time you see a piece of metal, remember that some might hold a secret power to ignite with just the touch of air, reminding us that even the simplest objects can have fascinating stories and curious properties of their own. And just like a good superhero, these metals teach us to handle their powers with care and respect.